Our head unit can support this USB dash camera. We're thrilled to introduce the compatibility of our head unit with USB dash cameras. Now, let's install the dash camera app. In most cases, the app is already built into your dash camera. Navigate through the File Manager app after connecting the USB dash camera, and you'll easily spot the APK file. It's that simple. As you can see, I connect the dash camera to the head unit via USB cable to power it. You can open the app to view the camera image next time.